I just got a brand new pair of white shoes, and it's about time. The last ones I outgrew. I told my mom I would keep it clean, and I don't make promises I don't mean.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Sleeper Sneakers, and welcome back to another replica review on a brand new channel. Thank you to YouTube for clapping the last channel. They took it down. There's so many great videos on that channel, but we're going to start again and we're going to get bigger this time. But yeah, this is option B. So if you're not into your resale, there are alternatives out there like this. This is from this website. I'll pop it up on screen now. So if you want any of these shoes or any other shoes like it, please make sure you go check the website out. I'll also link their Instagram down below. Everything will be in the description. And I do not condone the purchase and resale of UA replica sneakers. I just review them, and nothing on this channel is for sale. So with that said, let's just get into the video. As you can see, this is a different box for Jordan. This is like a cream box with a blue Nike swoosh. I'll take you around the box first, obviously. This box came double boxed with bubble wrap. Take on the bottom. And yeah, this is the Jordan 1 Low OG SP UK 12, my size. It says USD $150 on here. I don't know if that's correct, because in the UK they don't come with the retail price on them. But yeah, let's just pop this box open and see if these are any good. But yeah, underneath the lid, you get your stamps. Stamp there, your Nike swoosh. Yep. You get your Travis Scott paper. It does have the Fragment design printed as well on it. But that's not what you're here to see. Let's just get into the damn. I'll take these out of the box, show you what's left inside, and then we'll get onto the shoe. So you get your paper, nothing else. Box is a little squished, but we don't wear the box, we're not bothered. Yeah, we'll put that up there. So first off, we will start with the left shoe. Bam, there you go, guys. Beautiful Jordan 1 Low from the seller. Like I said, I'll pop them up here and in the description down below. Very nicely embossed on the Wings logo on the back, as well as the Fragment printed on the back of the heel. Very nicely done. Moving it around, the swoosh is really nicely tumbled leather. A little dirty there, but I'm not too fussed. But yeah, moving on to the bottom, you do have your off-white Nike swoosh with your midsole, very nice. And then the black toe cap. Moving around, you get the cream laces on the front of your shoe. Nice leather heading all the way up. Moving on to the tongue, you have your Nike Air with your Cactus Jack. Moving on to the other side, your Nike swoosh, the right way around, with your Fragment text. Very good. On the inside, just blue insole. We'll take the insole out for you. Let you have a look. And there's a stitching on the inside of the shoe, guys. Very neatly done. Please make sure you hit that subscribe, guys, and like the video if you want to see more option B shoes. It's a print, very nicely printed. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's a pretty nice. It's a size tag if you guys want to check that. But yeah, I will leave the guys' Instagram up on screen and the website if you want to cop a pair of these. Shipment it took about a week on these, so pretty quick. I know sometimes they can take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes up to a month. I've had pairs take a month. But yeah, let's get onto the left pair. But yeah, let's get onto the left shoe. Now this shoe comes with an absolute plethora of different colour laces for you to use. Obviously you get the cream ones that are in it, you get the pink, blue and black. I think I'd keep the cream ones. I think the cream ones would complement it really, really well. But yeah, let's go around the shoe. Don't forget guys, there will be a bit of B-roll and on feet at the end of this video. And please make sure you subscribe. Let's get the channel back up and running. There's your little cactus man face. Very nicely made replica shoe. And yeah, I can't wait for wear these. I'll take some pictures, put it up on the Instagram. That's the tongue again. You do have your Fragment design on the tongue with your Nike Air. Everything is on point on these. Very nice stitching, stitching's good. The back of the tongue's good. Even on the inside of these, on this tag on this one. There you guys. Stay tuned for the bit of B-roll on the on feet here in a minute. Please check out TikTok and Instagram. There will be more videos on these up on there. And thank you guys for watching. Let's get this channel back up and running again. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.